Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back. Y'all already know for what? A quick little video. So I already know, guys, you have been trying to watch my videos and you are having negative results. Now, what I will say to you guys is no, like most people thought that I blocked them, like most people thought that my channel was struck. No, it's none of those things. It is something going on the YouTube end. All right, I have been going back with them for an entire week. Okay, they have told me, well, we are not getting that message. And I said, let me tell you, my subscribers are not going to email me if it is not true. On top of that, I am getting the same dumbass statement on my phone. And what it says is something went wrong, retry. And you retry and you retry and it brings you back to that dumbass screen again. So guys, I know I'm sorry or whatever. I'm trying to get it straightened. But anyway, we are going to go ahead and get off of that and get into this video about Liv. Now, Liv. All right. Liv is always around here being a tough Tony. Y'all already know what it is. But when they were kicking in her door, Liv called the police. She called the popo. If you were so tough, and you know what I mean, you ain't scared of nothing, you would have never, ever called the police. You would either have kicked that door back at them or you would have opened it. So right there, that shows me what type of time you are on, Olivia. Now, you went head on and basically you came on because I guess you was addressing, the reasons why you have not sent out the lashes. Now, Liv, you said that the reason why is because you were depressed and down. All right. Most likely, like you said, you could not do anything. So with that being said, you probably was laying on that bed without sheets, all the curtains down, getting up 3 times just to fix your kids something to eat. That's probably what you were doing. That was why you could not get the lashes sent out. But Liv, I'ma tell you, that right there is some bullshit. We have seen you on Instagram. You get what I'm saying? And you got the bowl in front of you. I don't know if you practicing roots. I don't know if you're practicing witchcraft. I don't know what the fuck you are doing. But you got the bowl. You got the stick going round and around. You over there talking about, oh, this is the E sound. Girl, and you don't know what the fuck that is. Girl, go sit down somewhere and do it immediately. Yeah, you around there like 4 or 5 times of the day going on the Instagram with that goddamn bowl. I'm sitting here looking at my phone like, is she real serious? So therefore, all of that time where, you was going around with the bowl, practicing witchcraft roots, whatever you want to call it, energy, whatever. All right. You even talking about if my neighbors hear it, it even helps their energy. Stop it. That blew the shit out of me. It really did. When you said that, Liv, I said, you know what? This young lady is definitely, clearly, something has to be wrong. Because you are thinking what you are doing over there in your unit, in your apartment, that they can hear it over there. And I guess you are thinking that they are walking around with each other, husband and wife. Oh my God, husband, do you feel how much energized that I feel? Because I feel that someone in this building is sending me signs of energy. No, nobody said that shit. So therefore, when you were doing that, Liv, you could have got up and you could have got your lashes packed. When you were at this young ass Halloween party where you posted the picture and none of y'all was in your Halloween costumes, you got a goddamn shirt on and say spoiled written all the way across it like you a fucking toddler. But yet, you were too depressed to go ahead and send off these lashes. And then what made it worse, Liv, is when you tried to come on this bitch, let me tell y'all, y'all subscribers, Liv carried the fuck out of y'all. Liv treated y'all like y'all were her sons. All right, if you know what that means. She treated y'all like y'all were her kids. Liv basically said in a really nasty, disgusting, despicable, nonchalant way, yeah, I was busy, I was depressed, and fuck y'all. I send it to y'all when I can send it to y'all. Now, Liv, this brings me all the way down to the point of I understand exactly why you are driving around in that 2012 Benz. And the reason behind that is because your priorities are all fucked up. The first thing you are able to get on here and say is, I take care of my babies. No, Liv, no. You may think that, but come on. Let's really get into it. See, when you are going through depression, and go ahead, Liv, I'll give you a couple minutes to go get you some paper, some pen, a bottle of water. You get what I'm saying? Some of that vintage wine you be drinking, some of that Crown Royal, whatever it is that you need, go right head on and get it. Because I'm going to show you, because you say that you a boss bitch. But this right here is how boss bitches work. Take note. When you are driving around in that 2012, the reason you're driving around in it is because you're not a boss bitch. Not at all. Okay? The reason why you are walking into an apartment and not paying a mortgage is because you're not a boss bitch. Not at all. See, this is what boss bitches do. Now take note. What you should have done was sent those lashes out, because those people sent you their money. All right. And they don't care about depression or anything. Only thing they care about is getting their product sent to them. You could have been on the tallest building getting ready to jump off of it. And do you think if you had a car payment that you could have said, oh, I'll pay it in a couple more months? No. They want their money. They would have been at your door getting ready to repo your shit. Do you think living in an apartment, if you don't pay your rent when they want their money, do you think they are going to say, oh, Olivia, I'm so sorry, Olivia, that you're going through everything that you're going through. But what I will say to you, Olivia, is you can pay your rent whenever you have the money. Fuck no. Do you think if you had a mortgage that you were not able to pay that month, do you think they cared if you were depressed? Again, hell no. Not at all. So why do you think you can be put up on a pedestal that you can say I was depressed, so that's why you didn't get your lashes? I mean, that right there is just crazy to me. It showed me how your brain ticks. It showed me so many things about you. It was just crazy. But you are able to get onto this platform in the morning and tell us what type of D appointment you had that night. Another thing, Liv, we don't give a fuck about Brandon. We don't care if that's your boyfriend, your side piece, your wannabe husband. We don't give a shit. What we cared about, or your sons, the way you treated them, they cared about their lashes. They didn't care about what you did last night. So, Liv, what should have been done was, this is the boss bitch move. You should have got onto your Facebook, your YouTube, your Instagram, because you always on Instagram posting these dumbass sayings that, you know what I mean, you want somebody to feel when you really can't get your response across without kicking and screaming. All right. When it comes to shit like that, Liv, you act just like Donald Trump. If y'all don't realize that Donald Trump is so mad that he did not win, he is at the White House, I'm telling you, ripping that lace front off of his head, kicking, screaming. I think when it's time for him to leave out of that White House, I think they're going to have to call a couple police, couple SWAT teams to come help him out. Because the childish behavior that he is giving right now, whoa, it is way out of control. And that is the same exact what you do, Liv. Nobody cares about goddamn Brandon whatsoever. So what other thing that got me was you was in the bathroom and you was combing your hair over and over and over and over, talking about, oh, my hair is getting so long. But on the other damn side of that door, you probably got Robin and Ryan running around there looking crazy, hair all over their head, matted, dry, just ridiculously not taken care of. Liv, I'm pretty sure that you can never own a plant, a flower. Because see, when you have a plant or a flower, you have to water them and keep them in sun so that you know they can progress. How do you think hair is? You got to mold it. You got to condition it. You got to moisturize it. You've got to wash it. You got to detangle it. What the hell are you over there doing? But yet you bitches want to come on here and say when somebody does a reaction, oh, you're bringing them down. Yeah, that's what you bitches do. And I'm you know, I already know I'm going to tell you what it is. It's ridiculous. So what I'm saying, Liv, is you get me, you better pay your bills. Because I can tell you damn for sure, if you get set the fuck out up there, you even got, you know what I mean, your husbands or, you know, their sisters and shit. And they probably will, you know, help you. They probably will help you with the kids right now. But see, you done burnt your bridge and you done got out here and tried to, you know, drag everybody and you ain't dragging shit but yourself. That's why you keep running into all the shit that you are running into, because God is trying to tell you, look at here, wake up, listen, grow up, and just like you always say, glow up, go ahead and glow up. But what we see out here in these streets, girl, you ain't doing nothing. Nothing at all. You running around here not paying your bills. Looking real crazy. Yes, you are. So with that being said, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, you know what I'm saying, slide off of here. But I'm going to see you beautiful people, hopefully, in my next video. See y'all later.